One video, 3 motorcycles. Hang out. Yeah, you guys heard that right. One video, 3 different motorcycles. All of these motorcycles have been featured on Weems Motor Co. before, and they are special and they hold a special story why we're gonna put them all in one video today. First one of those being the Dolly Mongrel. Now, the last time you've seen this motorcycle, it was in Tennessee for the Sons of Speed Racing, and it got extremely muddy. When I say extremely muddy, let's just say this girl needs a bath. So that's gonna be the first task of this video, getting the Dolly Mongrel washed up, because we are hitting the road, actually tomorrow, the day that this is being recorded, to head to Kansas City, followed by a trip up to Cleveland for Fuel Cleveland. So you'll be seeing videos on those 2 events, but I think the first thing we need to do is clean this 1928 motorcycle up for a couple shows. So get out the water hose, get out the soapy water, get out a rag, and get out the sweat and do some work. So let's wash this thing up. So the old Dolly Mongrel, all nice and pretty and clean. We haven't fired this thing up since Tennessee, so before I throw it back in the trailer, we're gonna fire it up really quick, see what she sounds like, get it into the trailer, and move on to bike number 2. Let's get this thing started. Moving on to bike number 2. Now, this motorcycle is a Weems Motor Co. channel favorite, and this one doesn't have to be cleaned because I don't ever want to clean this motorcycle. I just want to ride it. That motorcycle being the Judge. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Judge, the motorcycle that we did right here on the channel, restored mechanically back to the way that Robert Young had it back in the 60s before he was arrested and went to prison, later became the very first ex-felon judge in America. This motorcycle, we were up at the Tennessee Motorcycle Music Revival, riding it around the flat track. Mr. Michael Lichter doing some amazing pictures and things, and it was pretty bumpy right there, so we were hitting a few bumps and ended up, the tag fell off of the motorcycle, actually broke off. I had nothing more than zip tied it on. So we're gonna figure out how we can get that tag back affixed onto the back fender of the Judge. So we need to get that knocked out so we can get it back in the trailer, because we are taking this motorcycle to Thunder on the Speedway in Kansas City, and we are going to be doing some dirt drag racing. Yes, doing it again. We did it in Texas, now we're doing it in Kansas. So got to get this fixed up, get it ready to go, get it back in the trailer, and then we can talk about bike number 3. So let's fix this tag. You gotta love a good Florida afternoon. Rains every day, but that's good because that gives us a second to talk about bike number 3. Now, bike number 3 is not in the shop, and that's a good thing. Yeah, you heard that right. It's a good thing that it's not here because that bike is number 56, our Born Free 13 bike that we took out to California, ended up winning best competition. That bike has been on the track. Yes, it has been raced. I wanted to say a huge thank you to my good friend Carson. Make sure that you go over to his YouTube channel and you can see the full footage of 56 making its first time on the racetrack. But for you guys, here is a few clips of my brother Michael taking 56 down the track in Iowa at the Hog Drags. Super cool, right? Yeah, we have a few more bugs to work out, but we are excited about it. Almost as excited about this award. Now, we're gonna be heading out on the road. As this video is being recorded, we leave tomorrow morning to head towards Kansas City for the Thunder on the Speedway race. Now, as you're watching it, the event has already happened, but I am presenting an award to my favorite pick for the foreign motorcycle that is my favorite at the show. So I'm excited, put together a nice little plaque for that winner. I am looking forward to sharing all of that content with you guys as we head to Kansas City, and then following that we'll be doing some coverage at Fuel Cleveland. Super excited about it. It's been a great year so far. We only have better news, better things coming up. We still got the build going on with the jury, which is going great. We got a lot of motor work done with that, starting to move on to some frame stuff. And it's all coming together, people, and it's all because of you guys. Thank you for hanging out. If you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on right here at Weems Motor Co. Peace.